Each day I begin with my rituals that just fill me up with happiness. Sometimes it's making a tea or sometimes it's making a juice, but no matter how I start my day, it's all about building my inner confidence. Confidence doesn't mean being perfect, it means feeling your best. I feel my best when I'm taking care of myself, having a healthy, balanced lifestyle, and of course, my journey with skincare. I've partnered with Tula to present my Ageless State of Mind Tennille Murphy's Ageless Skincare Kit. My kit includes the Cult Classic Gel Cleanser and Wrinkle Treatment Drops, an alternative retinol serum. It's taken most of my 30s and now that I'm turning 43 to really embrace and celebrate my skin. I have oily skin, so starting off with Cult Classic Cleanser is the perfect way for me to prevent blemishes by purifying and clarifying my pores with this gentle, oh so fabulous cleanser. I like to massage this cleanser on my skin for about 30 seconds to really make sure I get that gentle exfoliation that always leaves my skin super refreshed and radiant. For the last month, I have so loved incorporating Wrinkle Treatment Drops into my morning and PM skincare routine. I love that this is a clean, retinol-free, non-irritating serum that helps improve the texture of my skin, making it look firmer. It deeply conditions and nourishes my skin. It even calms the look of irritation and provides antioxidant protection. I like to gently massage and pat the serum into my skin until it's completely absorbed. And babes, don't forget to get your neck and chest. Partnering with Tula has reminded me that it is so wonderful to embrace your skin and to feel confident in that you are enough, you are smart enough, you are beautiful enough, and you are doing enough. Age is definitely a state of mind, so head over to Tula, use my code Tennille for 15% off the Tennille Murphy Ageless Skincare Kit. There are 4 other kits also part of this collaboration that each target different skin tones, types, and textures. You can find them all over at Tula.com. Thanks for watching, darlings!